Are you a Pensight user and wonder how I get those nice thumbnails for my Pensight account? I'm going to show you in this step-by-step video today, and we're going to use Canva. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sharlrita Deloatch. I'm a content strategist and author, and I love to teach established women coaches how to create digital assets with ease. I would love if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also like this video because I love to talk all things content around content and plus give you some strategy. That's why I call myself the content strategist. I love to talk about PLR, also repurposing content you already have into books, into journals, into planners. I love to talk about those things here on this channel. So you can visit my website at sharlritadeloatch.com to learn more about me. Let's get into the church announcements before we get into today's tutorial. I have a free training right in the link down below in my description, where you can find all links in my description. I'm going to teach you how to avoid the different mistakes that I see a lot of coaches make when it comes to creating their digital assets. I don't want you to make these mistakes, so I created a free training giving you those 10 mistakes, okay? If you can avoid making those mistakes, then you'll be well on your way. Also, I have my Profitable Publishers Academy. This is my website for my digital assets that I want to give you access to, where if you are in that space where you want to learn how to build a profitable publishing business, you want to write and market your book to millions, join that for free at profitablepublishersacademy.com. And the last thing I'm going to talk about on this channel is my books. Of course, that's another asset that I teach coaches to create in their business. I have a book series. This is just one of the book series called Savvy Simple Coaching. This is a short ebook series where I'm teaching you in each ebook how you can start, giving you strategies how to start and grow your profitable coaching business. If you are following me on my Amazon author page, that's where you're going to find this series. Book 1 and 2 are already published, and we have some more well on the way. Okay, so let's get into today's tutorial. We're talking about Pensight today. If you're not familiar with Pensight, I have a video that I'm going to put in the description where I give an overview of what Pensight is, but I'll give you a short description. Pensight is basically a link that you can put in your bio, but it does a whole lot of other things. If you're new to the online space and you may not have a website and all those things that I already have, because I've been in business for quite some time, Pensight is there for you, okay? What you're looking at right now is my Pensight page. Let me allow you to view it from a customer standpoint, okay? So right here is my Pensight page, and you can put, your name, all the good stuff, links to your other social media accounts. But the great thing about this is where you don't really need to have a website is that you can create your courses in here. You can have people to book one-on-one sessions. Your digital assets can go in here. So you have an ebook you want somebody to download, you can do that in here in Pensight. It makes it easy. You can embed videos. I think you can even do a blog, not a blog, but you can do several things in here. Let me show you. Okay, here you go. A lot of this is if you have the pro. So I'm going to highly recommend that you do the pro account, but you can start for free. There's limited things you can do for free, but you can start there. Okay. I don't start there. Okay. You can do digital products, courses, one-on-one sessions, group sessions, membership. There's a membership there as well. You can, if you're going to have a membership, people can pay you monthly. You can host it right here in Pensight. You can do a video Q&A. So you can collect your emails in here. So all of your contacts are here. So this is a great place. This is a great starting place. I still use it. I'm an advocate of Pensight because I still put, I still make use of this mini website, okay? And just in case, especially when I'm out networking and things like that, I can refer people to my Pensight account instead of my whole website because I keep all of my links here, all right? So that's just a quick tutorial. So I'm always asked about the pictures or the thumbnails. So if you see right up here, I have an actual thumbnail. Okay. So that is what we call, just like you call it on YouTube or you call it a background photo. If you're on Facebook, you're familiar with this background photo. And when you're on any type of site, whether it's a, you're using Pensight, whether you're using Facebook, what have you, and if those sites give you the opportunity to have these resources or to have this wheelhouse where you can use it, go ahead and use it. Okay, this is assets. This is another asset. So right back here, I have my name and I just have welcome to my Pensight page. But if you have something advertised, I plan to update this soon because I have something that I want to have right there. Okay. Or you can have a call to action for the first thing that they need to do. You can put your name. You don't have to, because see, my name is here. So I'm definitely going to do some updating because my name is already here. I want to make use of that. Okay. So what you and also this this same background photo, I also have them here with each item that you can have access to within my Pensight, and just to make it look a little bit more girly, or make it look a little bit more of my site. Okay, Pensight does give you that opportunity when you have the pro account that you can customize, so you do get options to customize. You don't have to necessarily have that cover photo, but I opt in to have it. So you can have it without or you can have it with. Okay. They give you the option to change your background. You can put images now. There's so many upgrades that they are doing here. It's just amazing. You can do there's a branded here of this color. So I can make many different changes. So I'm going to make some changes here soon. All right. So you have all of that, but back here, how we're using Canva to get these photos is that you have to have a photo of a size of, let's see, I have it pulled up right here. You have to have the photo of the size of, I think it's 1280. Let me look at what this size is. Yeah, 1280 by 720. Okay, that's for the background photo and for this here. 780, 1280 by 720 pixels. Okay, px. Okay, so it needs to be that size. So this is the size right here. Okay, I'm gonna put this link. You can use these as a template if you want. I'm gonna put them down in the description. You can do whatever. It's gonna make a copy. If you have a Canva account, it's gonna make a copy for you. You can do just to give you an idea of what mine look like. Okay. So here's how I really design mine. I just have a photo in the back. So if you look here, this is a photo of me in the back. I just have a photo of me in the back. And then I have the name of whatever I am selling. So right here, I have a digital asset audit template. And it says free asset audit template for established women coaches. And I just put DA for digital asset. Okay. Yours don't have to look like mine, but just to give you an example on what mine's really look like. Okay, so these are just a lot of the ones that I've been using over the years since I've been using Pensight. And I use to give my page the same, feel. I use this here. Okay, so this is I use it, and I just change my colors because I have a pro account in Canva as well. I'm able to upload my Canva palette. All right, so I can upload my Canva palette. And right over here, when you are in Canva, if you're new to Canva, you go to design and then you go to style. And right under there, you can have, different. So you can have different brands. So I have different brands for different things. You can have that. You have the pro account. So this is my brand colors. And I just click it. Here, I just use different colors. I just click it right there. I just keep clicking until I find the color combination that I want. If I see what I don't want, I just change what I want. I can make this a different color if I want. Okay, which I actually like that. So I can make it that a different color. So you can do however you want. But I'll put the link to these templates inside of the description if you wanted to use this as a guide. And really what I do with my picture, I just slide the picture right over there. Let me see if I can get a different picture. Let's say I wanted to have a picture of one of my books back there. I just slide it back there. And then what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to use the transparency button there and just slide that over there to make it disappear a little bit in the background. Oh, it looks like it still has my picture back there. That's why. Let's see. Let me try it now. I want to replace it. There we go. Okay, there we go. So that way. But in just in case that happens, what it just happened to me, yeah. Okay, so you got right here. I got my book back there. You can put your picture back there. I usually put my picture back there. I love my pictures. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit. Let me go back. You have to with a background. You gotta slide it, make it count. There you go. Okay, so there's a picture. If you can see the picture again, you can make the transparency a little bit darker if you want to. So if I wanted to do that, I could. Or like me, I like mine a little bit dark. That's cute too. That's cute. It shows, and I can still change the color. So see, I really like that one. There you go. So you still change that one. But I like mine so, a little bit. I want you to see me, but I don't want you to see me. Okay. All right. So that's a quick tutorial on with Pensight, how you can design these mock-ups right here. These thumbnails is what they are. You design those mock-ups right there. I keep saying mock-ups, but they're thumbnails. Okay. But yeah, so you can do that there. Okay. But yeah, just organize your Pensight account so that it's easily accessible for people that are especially on the internet, and they want to be able to use multiple sites. I just remember when I started in entrepreneurship, we just did not have all of these options for links and bios. And I remember in some places, especially Facebook and Instagram, you couldn't put a link nowhere. Okay. So it's just nice to see how things are evolving. But if you want to get started with Pensight, you can for free. I have my special link down there in the description, and you can get access to it today.